See this Okobo. You know you're sleepy, you're sleepy. I should be the cab don't enter my hand now. I don't know that this cab the carry you the wakaban. So that will be microwave bam. Wow. What a day. The day is right. So the time of judgment. Wake up, Okobo. Wake up. Wake up.
What's it happen? What make up?
I left you microwave am. Wait for me for what?
You didn't microwave my cup. Wait. You didn't microwave my cup.
I left you microwave am.
I don't understand. You didn't microwave my cup.
You never see anything.
See, I go microwave your pants.
Go microwave.
Anything when you see, you go better and see. There is war against. Wait. There is. You want chop one? No, you want chop one. You go chop one now. You microwave my cup. Now problem for this house. I will give you problem. I will give you problem. Okay, your pants. I go microwave one. Okay.